We think of Earth as the perfect, cozy home for life. But is it, or is our planet just average? What if I told you that out there in the cosmic darkness, there are worlds so bizarre they make Earth look mundane? Worlds born from chaos, flung across galaxies, or locked in a permanent stare with their sun. Today, we're going on a journey to the strangest corners of the universe to ask a profound question. Is Earth the best planet, or are we just one stop on an infinite cosmic tour? Let's start with a scenario straight out of science fiction. Imagine a world in a binary star system. Two suns hang in your sky. Days and nights are unpredictable. Seasons are chaotic. And the gravitational tides are so violent they could literally tear your planet apart. But the real drama begins when these systems wander too close to the monster lurking at the heart of our galaxy, a supermassive black hole. The gravity here is so immense, so powerful, that it can rip entire star systems apart. It's a gravitational tug-of-war on a cosmic scale. In this cosmic dance, one star might get captured by the black hole, spiraling into a doomed orbit, but its companion can be violently slingshotted away, accelerated to incredible speeds. Astronomers call this a hypervelocity star. It's a star without a home, ejected from its own galaxy. And what if a planet is along for the ride? Imagine that. You'd get the ultimate cosmic tour, witnessing the entire Milky Way unfold, and then recede behind you as you journey into the blackness of intergalactic space. A lonely voyage, but what a view. But what about the other star, the one left behind? Its planet is now trapped, orbiting a star that is itself orbiting a black hole. It's a fate not long for this universe, a world on the brink of being swallowed by the void. Sometimes, the chaos is so great that the planet itself is ejected, becoming a rogue world. No sun, no warmth, just a frozen, dark wanderer destined to drift through the empty void forever. So, with all this violence and chaos, how does life even get a foothold? It starts with death, the death of massive stars. In their final explosive moments as supernova, they forge the heavy elements, the carbon, the oxygen, the nitrogen, and blast them across space. These are the fundamental building blocks of life, the cosmic ingredients scattered into vast clouds of gas and dust, and we've found these building blocks, these organic molecules, everywhere. We've found them in meteorites that have fallen to Earth. We've even found them on Mars. The Curiosity rover drilled into the red soil and confirmed the presence of complex organic molecules. The Lego bricks of life are scattered across the cosmos. This leads to a famous paradox. If the ingredients for life are so common, where is everyone? This is the Fermi paradox, and one potential answer is a concept known as the Great Filter. This is the idea that there is some hurdle that is so difficult to overcome that it stops life from becoming a spacefaring civilization. It could be a natural event, like a nearby gamma ray burst that sterilizes an entire planet. Or, perhaps more chillingly, the filter is something that civilizations do to themselves. Things like climate change, nuclear war, or uncontrollable artificial intelligence. Maybe civilizations just don't survive long enough to make contact. But maybe the answer is simpler. Maybe life is common, but it's just that simple. Not intelligent civilizations, but microbes. Think about it. An asteroid slams into a planet like Mars, blasting rocks into space. If there were microbes living in those rocks, they could essentially hitchhike across the solar system. This idea is called panspermia, and it's not as crazy as it sounds. We've done experiments to test this. We've attached bacteria to the outside of the International Space Station, exposing them to the vacuum and brutal radiation of space, and they survived. Life, at least on a microscopic level, is incredibly tough. It's a mind-bending thought. We could all be the descendants of Martian immigrants. The stability we enjoy is a rare gift. We've literally seen planets disappear. Through our telescopes, we've witnessed a star that had a planet, and then, in a flash, it was gone, smashed to dust in a cosmic collision. Our solar system is a relatively calm neighborhood, and a big reason for that is Jupiter. This gas giant is our celestial bodyguard. Its immense gravity acts like a cosmic shield, deflecting or swallowing comets and asteroids that would otherwise be on a collision course with Earth without Jupiter. Our planet would have been pummeled into oblivion long ago. So what about the planets we have found? We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, many of them rocky worlds, in the Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where liquid water could exist. But habitable doesn't mean Earth-like. Many of these worlds, like Proxima b, are tidally locked to their small red dwarf stars. This means one side of the planet faces the star in perpetual scorching daylight, while the other side is frozen in eternal night. They are eyeball planets, with any potential for life existing only in a narrow twilight zone, a thin ribbon between fire and ice. So, if it's not just about water or temperature, what's the real key to life? Many scientists now believe it's a magnetic field. Earth has won because of its molten, churning iron core. This field, invisible to our eyes, is our planet's most important defense. It creates a protective bubble, the magnetosphere, that deflects the solar wind a constant stream of charged particles from the sun. Without this shield, as we believe happened on Mars, the solar wind would slowly strip away our atmosphere and boil our oceans into space. A magnetic field is what keeps a planet alive. And so, the search for life has a new target. It's not just about finding a blue dot anymore. With future space telescopes, we'll be looking for a specific signal, the faint radio whisper of a magnetic field around a distant, Earth-sized world. Finding that would be a monumental discovery, the strongest sign yet that we've found a truly habitable and possibly inhabited planet. The universe isn't just stranger than we imagine. It's stranger than we asterisk. Can asterisk imagine? From planets flung across the void to worlds orbiting black holes, from eyeball planets to the quiet protectors in our own backyard. So, is Earth as good as it gets? Is our stable orbit, our protective gas giant, and our magnetic shield a fluke? Or is it just one type of home in a cosmos filled with infinite and infinitely strange possibilities? The search for our place in the cosmos ... is just beginning. Thank you for watching.